Oranges are one of the most popular fruits in the entire world. This statement is backed up by the fact that they are one of the top 5 exported fruits in the world, and you have to admit you can't go into any store that sells groceries without seeing their bright, vibrant color standing out at you. But what are the benefits of eating oranges? This article is going to highlight several of the key benefits that you can obtain by making sure that the orange is a regular part of your diet. From orange calories through to all of the nutrients that oranges hold, there is going to be something in this article that can tempt you into giving this tasty citrus fruit a go. Orange can help to keep hunger at bay. Oranges contain something called pectin, which is a chemical that hinders your appetites for several hours. This means that if you are on a diet, eating oranges can help, as they can keep hunger at bay for a period of time after you eat them, and thus vastly reducing the chance of you snacking before your next mealtime. Reduces your cholesterol levels. Oranges contain water-soluble pectin, which helps to reduce levels of blood cholesterol. Great for detoxification. Oranges are full of antioxidants which aid the transportation of oxygen around the body, and also protect the body from harmful free radicals. This makes oranges very useful when it comes to the detoxification process. How about the nutritional benefits of oranges? When you are asking what are the benefits of eating oranges, one of the key things that comes to mind is the nutritional benefits that can be obtained. The orange is a natural fruit, and thus is full of incredibly good nutrients that your body needs. Below are a list of the vitamins and minerals found in oranges. Asterisk vitamin A. Asterisk vitamin B1. Asterisk vitamin C. Asterisk calcium. Asterisk potassium. Asterisk folate. Oranges also contain a healthy dose of dietary fiber and protein, which are key to the upkeep of your body. How many calories in an orange? Not only are oranges jam-packed with vital nutrients, but they are also incredibly low in calories. This means that they can be eaten in abundance as part of any diet, and they will do you nothing but good. So how many calories in an orange? In a medium orange weighing 4.8 ounces, there is approximately 65 calories. Prevent the signs of aging. One magnificent benefit from eating oranges is that they help to prevent signs of aging on the skin. This is also achieved by the antioxidants that they contain. Renowned for helping keep free of cancer. Not only do the antioxidants in oranges help to eliminate free radicals that can lead to cancer, there are also citrus limonoids inside them which are believed to protect against various types of cancer. Limonoids are also known to reduce cholesterol levels in human cells. Helps to keep illness at bay. Oranges are a wonderful source of phytochemicals, which can help to prevent age-related illnesses. Phytochemicals are plant chemicals that don't offer a direct nutritional benefit to the human body, however they combine to give protection to cells. This has been proven in plants, and scientists believe that the same effect occurs in human cells. Summary. As you can see, there are a real wealth of benefits that can be obtained from eating this simple fruit. Whereby oranges are only cultivated in warmer areas of the world. They are exported to across the globe, and are found in every grocery store or supermarket you are ever likely to come across in Western civilization. What's more, they are incredibly cheap to buy. Hopefully this article has gone some way to answering the question, what are the benefits of eating oranges, for you.